So I picked the mesh term for migraine treatment, but I specifically wanted to find articles about Botox as a treatment option, so I want to find the mesh term for Botox to include in my PubMed search as well. When I search for Botox, I get a supplementary concept, which is how many of the drugs and other substances are listed in the mesh database, but it does give me a link for the mesh heading for the category of botulinum toxins. You can search on the mesh heading or the supplementary concept depending on how specific you want your search to be. For this one, I'm going to choose the mesh heading. And I'm going to use the therapeutic use subheading. You'll notice that the subheadings change depending on the type of term you're looking at, so you'll only ever see the subheadings that are relevant to this mesh term. I'm once again going to add this to the search builder, and you can see that it's kept the migraine term from before, and now the toxin term has been added. Click the Search PubMed button to use these terms to search PubMed for articles on these topics. You may have noticed while you were searching mesh that the interface looks very similar to PubMed, so whenever you're using this database interchangeably with PubMed, you want to make sure that you know which database you're in, and you can tell by looking at the logo in the upper left-hand corner of the page. Now, if you'll go on to the next slide, I'll have you try a search on your own.